Hello, y'all. Hi. A lot of people know that I love Halloween, mainly the dress-up aspect. I never really record my process, and this year I thought, why not? I have been wanting to do Mia Thermopolis from Princess Diaries, specifically Princess Diaries 1, for a long time. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be this year. It's kind of silly because I'm not cutting my hair until like November 1st. I want to make sure my hair's long enough to do like the whole frizz. Something dawned on me. I was like, man, like, why don't I just go to a fabric store and like find something? And that's where we're at today. We're at a Joann's. That will be one hurdle. And the next hurdle that we're going to try to do after that is find a collared shirt that is kind of like a light blue. Hopefully today we find something. And if not, I'm out of ideas and I may not have a costume. As the years go on, I'm like, no idea what I'm gonna be next year. I feel like I screwed myself, like putting my costumes like up here, and then now like people expect it to be up here, and I'm like, I can't deliver anymore. I think I'm done rambling. Let's go. So, happy to report, I realized how much I love Joann's. I actually found plaid, and I think this might actually work out for the tie. I should be good. So yay. Let's just go to Target. I feel like there's a better chance there. I really just need like a cheap option. Hopefully. Okay. Today has been a success so far. I ended up buying this, but guess what? It's a little boy's shirt. I got a large, so hopefully it fits. I think it does. Pretty proud of my purchases today. Usually whenever I make a costume, I'm like, I want to make sure that I can reuse these things for future ideas and it's economical because your girl's, you know, poor. So like $18 so far. I think it's pretty good. Pretty pumped now. Yay, making progress. Yeah. I need to make the headband. So I'm gonna plan and cut a little bit of this and then wrap it around this. Ta-da! I mean, it kind of looks like it. Now I'm pinning the two cloths here. So they're pinned on now. Okay. Oh, actually pretty good. Needs a little tweaking, but this might need a little work. Now I've got to figure out the hair and the brows. Let's go. Full disclosure, I think I'm using that word correctly. I never really know what to do with my hair. Past costumes, it either like I didn't need to do my hair because of, you know, it was fine on its own, or I just resorted to a wig. And now I'm gonna try this. Hopefully I have hairspray. Let me check. I do. It's such a great day. Okay, let's figure the hair out.
Three little maids from school are we, but as a schoolgirl well can be.
So I don't know if I have the hair right. But let me put on glasses and then let's see. So the hair's a work in progress. I'm gonna put everything together and see how we look. It's so hard. Why is frizzing your hair so hard? This is so great. Now I have half of my costume on. The hair, well, just gonna have to like volumize it and all that. Pretty good for a like a day project. So, pat to myself, yeah. Hello, it is the evening. I just took a shower, and in the shower I thought, why don't I try sleeping with braids? I'm gonna do that. Whoa. I don't know what I was doing. Let's do this.
Filled to the brim with girlish glee, three little maids from school.
I haven't done this since high school, so we'll see in the morning how it looks. Good morning. So I took out my braids around like 5 a.m. in the morning. Right now it's like 8-ish, and kind of looks like it. Might have to like try it a couple times, but like sleeping with it on, I was like, ugh, kind of annoying, but you know, it is what it is. I just have to make sure that like it looks huge because it's long, but it's not like big like how it is in the movie. All right, day 2. Today's mission, finding suitable makeup. specifically at Daiso because it's cheap. Maybe, in theory.
Everything is a source of fun.
Alright, we got a palette. We have a clear mascara to set the brows lid on. Mainly I just bought makeup for the brow area because that's the part that needs the most work. And I bought a tinted brow gel. Hopefully that's enough. Good morning. We are yet again in the car. Hair's still pretty frizzy. Good to know. We're actually gonna try out the hair today and also figure out the brows. And hopefully we get some furry friends up in here. I don't know why I said that. Hello. We are about to start trying it out. So with braids, right?
I think that's good.
Yes. What? Whatever. Jerks. Princess of Genovia. What?
Because you spelled Mignonette wrong. And I'm pretty sure it's I did. I got 0 stitches. I'm pretty sure. I just need to fill in her brows. Like aggressively.
I just gotta master the face, like.
Brows is mainly the main thing today.
I look like a kindergarten person.
This is smart though.
Right?
I feel like she really does have extensions because it's like, and then they took the extensions out. There's no way you straighten all this hair and it just somehow becomes.
It's
like
a wig. I think they said it was a wig.
Oh, is it a wig?
I'm updating you and also the people. Hi.
And the people of
Genovia.
Genovia.
Me, a princess. Shut up.
How old was Anne Hathaway when she filmed that movie?
19?
Oh dang, she was
Think?
young.
I'm taking a guess. Don't take my word for it. Brow time.
Her brow is a different
1,
shape.
2, 3.
Mignonette Thermopolis, come alive. Come on, you gotta look
Wait,
like
I think back then they put a lot of like blush too.
No, this is no makeup like pre-makeup. And you gotta no, but you can't squint. Your eyes have to be still kind of big.
I'm
Cause
pretty small enough.
yeah, your eyes are already small enough.
You can't. You're physically incapable. That's okay too.
I can't.
I was like,
Who's
I'm
free to call?
Who's free to call?
Oh yeah. Wait, I didn't realize that until now. I love your eyebrows. We'll call them Frida and Kahlo. I think that's the line.
Hollow.
Kahlo.
If you really want Anne Hathaway brows, you basically have to shave away your entire brow.
Damn it.
They look kind of blocky, but I hope
True.
they're not.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Actually, if you don't want them as blocky, let me look.
Genova?
Time to straighten.
Nobody's safe, for we care for none.
Teasing time. The last time I teased my hair, I think, was for Bellatrix in senior year.
Bellatrix is like Fonz's hair. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
which was fun.
I don't know if Anne Hathaway is like Fonz's hair, but she could be.
Because you were wearing them incorrectly or they're just not the right size for you. Dude, you're kind of coin. You're like, that does not fit her anymore. Can you see yourself, Sammy? Oh my god.
They were saying I look like Haggard. Haggard, not Haggard.
Okay,
So you straight up look like a...
1, 2, 3. Come on. Come here. Hold on. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
I mean, I'm trying to emulate the volume of the shit.
The mugshot. Get arrested.
Yeah, okay. You know, you could just do Hagrid round 2.
That's true. Oh wow, it's thick.
Yes. She can't even tie her hair. Actually, it's starting to look like it. Yeah, no, I'm not joking.
I'm trying to
It
practice
helps
the
with
face.
Hagrid. I mean, helps with the makeup.
So sad.
Life is a joke that's just begun.
Why didn't she give me flashback middle school flashbacks?
Margarita.
Yeah, feels like she would do back then too.
Not bad for practice shots. I just gotta figure out the hair and we'll be good. Good evening. It is trial 2 of the hair. My hair's gonna be air dried again. And I'm also gonna use this right here. And it's supposed to create weightless curls with this creation mousse. Because we're trying to create the frizz with the curls at the end. Okay. This took a long time. So basically I did 2 pumps of this. Now I'm gonna braid it all together. It helps to kind of contain it when I'm sleeping. I look a little crazy. Hello y'all. round 2 of hair did not go so well. Here's kind of what it looks like. There's still not that like texture we're looking for. We're gonna keep trying, and luckily we're not shooting until maybe like 2 weeks later. Hello, forgot to update earlier when I was doing these. I didn't wash my hair today, but I thought, you know, I might as well try it with dry, like maybe a few days old hair and with the same mousse, because the day of the shoot, I don't really want to wash my hair. So it'd be interesting to see if it still holds and if washing my hair is necessary. And so we'll see in the morning. Good morning. Check it out. It works better. Like the curls are a lot more like intact, which is good. Yay, progress. Whoa. Happy dance, happy dance. I'm losing a lot of hair from this. Dang, pretty big. Hello everyone. Today we are going to shoot the glamour shots of Mia after the makeover. Shall we? Let's go! I got the 2 headshots.
Yeah, I saw. It looks pretty accurate, yeah.
Paolo turning from this and this into a princess.
A princess.
I bought mascara right here.
3 little maids from school.
Power vested in me. Okay.
By the state of California.
By the state of California. Okay, let me do your eyes. Nothing really showing. Give me a sec.
Trial and error, guys.
What is all the random powder in this brush? Open your eyes. And it disappears. Oh, wow. Oh, man.
The power of the hood.
Oh, yeah. For sure, man. You look like a raccoon. That's definitely my fault, though. Cause her eyes are like inset, like they're deep. Do you know what I mean? Like they're in her skull, and ours are like that. Sorry.
I'm like trying to like not like jabbing. I'm like
Jab.
Majesty, Paolo is exhausted. What else does Paolo say? But Majesty, only the best.
Lashes.
Aha!
Like a 90s mother. I think you have some. Actually, this is pretty close. I think you just gotta cover it up.
I feel so cozy. Hey, look at that.
Kind of looks like it, yeah. Then we just hide this. Hide this thing.
Check this out, guys.
Kind
So
of looks like it.
this is just a cloth. Yeah.
I can't see it. Okay, I added a few more pleats here and here.
Okay. Thanks, Paolo.
This is really cool, actually.
Here we are.
Keep curling up.
3 little maids who all are nice.
You make yourself comfortable, and then I'll tuck in whatever.
I can't.
That's why I said you tuck it in.
Oh!
Let me see. Are you doing the right pose? The legs?
Is it?
I don't study material.
The 3 of us just finished shooting part 1, so let's say success. Look at this. I love my Paolo. I'm just gonna freak out. Success! Now we just gotta shoot next Friday, and we will be good to go for this costume. Hello, y'all. Today is the big day! The big day! I'm a little overly excited about this, but hair has not been washed in a couple of days. We're gonna braid them with the mousse and hope for the best. Well, Fat Louie, this is as good as it's gonna get.
Honestly, yeah.
Hello. Today is the actual day that we shoot we've just been calling it the shut up scene. Check it out. DP right over here. These aren't pairs, but you know, close enough.
3 little maids from
Just got approval from PD Neem. Paolo, you're the best.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it.
Shot the T scene, and we're gonna do some couple of shots of
It
Mia.
looks pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Paolo.
If you just don't look at the back.
Lele Moscovitz, try me. Okay. Yeah. And that's a wrap. Special thanks to this chick right here, Paulo.
paid, but I don't.
But she gets paid in affection. This is Mia Thermopolis. Signing up. Alright. Bye. I don't really know what I'm gonna be for next year's Halloween. Let me know if you have any thoughts.